Go abasai wetaniiriwe ya mona 500 korwase bunge ya machoge chache kaunti ya Kisii banyora amaigerio igoro yake muika obosemia igoro yobogima nabo igo obuya bwa masomo omore obiro obagokora wana Pastor Sagananchaga ensense moya itare okwana ekerekyo nigo abasai bago kere gitambukirekyo asebateba oyoiga n'umuchakano moya ase obogima bwabo ontiri na muri roboteru asenchira ekobwatia.
So who wants to recommend their lives to God?
Bunenchiremo yoko ene kibuna basae wagendere gukina se chimbwa chingia bale ne chindoto chine na sobogima na bagukina asobo Kristo litukulia lero Pastor Sagananchaga kurwa sensemo yeitare imiye county ya Kisii nigo arabu watani banda se chinkwana na basae na borokiwa abo bagendrete na masomo mwiga okoleka se bunge yebumachoge chache ase county ya Kisii
babere bagoseni wasana asingi njoma bundisa lero na ndogo segeta mwanya getinga bonse sibabeta inga chinga kiechiga tobe toko bwate sia abana baitu baokina bono wa tobabeka se chimbwa chingia chimbwa chiragere banyole amatunda amayoko chibosio na ndi bamanye na kibakomenya na se binyo bitwarwe twensi elinde abana abayiga youths abaiga no bakale abarai bari tuko yamambya
okwana chinga kecho Sagana nigamenta buna okugania nkorororo kwa basae ko basamegirio hanga buna ega ili kubakonya nonya naso gukore buya kimasomo
tutete go chenchia obomenyo bw'abana abange abatabugate engencho bakomenya buya elio baigwo gosemeria kwa matuko aribosyo
asense mwende abasaye baiga nigo basemigwa igoro yenchira bakomenya n'abantu babonchukanaine obaseme igoro yokubwatuka chisabu chimbe nebinyugwa byo gutindia igati yayanda mange amegerio atebwa kobegati yali 12 yengencho hasobugima getambokero abasaye n'aborokiwa baiga bagokera inse yomurubulio o ami Butler.
So our purpose here is to help the youth have a better understanding of life, and we call it to design their life. Okay, life is not by default. You have to write visions down and you have to write goals that align with the vision, and then you work on the goals to accomplish your vision so that in the end you live the life that you want to live according to what God wants you to do. You make the right choices so that you walk on the path to success. Success does not come by default. It comes by hard work and design. So our program is focused on that, tailored on the 12 areas of life, and we are going to be working with this youth to make sure that they understand the 12 areas of life and work on each area of life so they can be better leaders for themselves, better leaders for the community, better leaders for the nation, and better leaders for the world.
Nkurubudere getaseni kya Getembe kurega se county ya Kisii litere nenguru kwa Daniel Untiri